welcome back to my channel, T Stars. So in this video, you guys, according to the title, this is going to be how I install my clip-ins from Nayavista. If I pronounced her name wrong, I do apologize. I will leave all of her information in the description box just in case if you are interested in purchasing some of her clip-ins. She has clip-ins, bundles, she has earrings, necklaces, rings. She has so much amazing stuff on her site. I will also do a separate video as far as the review go and
how long it took for the hair to get here, what I think about it after having it for, I believe I purchased it probably like 2 months ago for my birthday, which was July 25th, so I've been having it for a good minute. But like I said, I'll do a separate video for that because I don't want to keep this video extremely long. So I'm just going to show y'all how I install my clip-ins.
So right now, you guys, my hair, this is all me. This is all my hair right now. I washed it when I took a shower, and basically I didn't do nothing to it. I let it air dry, and this is the texture now. My hair is naturally curly. Well, when it dries up, it gets kind of curly, if you can tell. It's still kind of wet, but we're still gonna go ahead and do this video. And if you've seen my previous video as far as my hair lengths go, I chopped my hair, well, not completely chopped it off like where I was bald headed or anything like that. I was just so tired of it. It was damaged and it was shorter than this, you guys. Like, I believe it was like right here. So my hair has really been growing. I've been trying to keep chemicals out and just taking my vitamins and making sure my hair has oil in it, and I'm extremely proud of my hair. Like, I can't wait, because as a little girl my hair was extremely long, but as I got older I started putting glue in it, which is a big mistake. And yeah, y'all know how they go, and it just damaged my hair. But my hair is growing. It's actually like, I don't know if y'all can see this, it's actually like shoulder length now. So, and it's gonna get longer than this. If y'all, like, my mom has a very long hair. Like, her hair is like all the way down to her butt. So yes, we have good hair. Just, I didn't take care of it when I was younger because I was trying to fit in with everybody else. But yeah, that's another topic, you guys. So anyways, I'm about to do my hair. I feel like I'm just talking. Started. I believe I'm doing a half up and half down. I'm not sure just yet. So we're just gonna play with my hair and just see how it goes. And if y'all like this makeup look, thumbs up. I really don't, if you know me, I do not like any dark colors on my lip. I'm so just a neutral girl. But I was like, I don't know, I just wanted to do something kind of bold and funky today. So if y'all like it, thumbs up this video. Okay, I know I just said that. I'm steady talking. So the items that I use when I do my clip-ins, I know probably other women on here probably do theirs totally different, but like I said, this is how I do it. So yeah, so I have my straightener right here. This is just one I got from CVS, y'all. I don't even know the name. Oh yes, it's on here. Infinity Pro, and it's the holy grail. Like, I've been having that for years. I have my brush. I have 2 brushes. Yeah, I also have some gel, but I might not be using this. I have my toothpick comb. I have the other toothpick comb, a little bit skinnier than the white one, and then I have for my edges. I have my edge control for my edges as well. I don't know if y'all can see that. I also have my little scrunchie just in case if I do the half up look. And then I have some foam. I might not use this, but no, I think I am going to use that just to lay my hair down. And then I also have my heat protector. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I didn't show y'all the clip-ins. Here's the clip-ins, you guys, and this is actually in 20. And I have used them already, so that's why they don't look like fresh or anything like that. But I love these clip-ins so much. So all right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the look half up and half down. I already did the back. Let me turn it around. So yeah, that's how it looks. That's how the back looks. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to add 2 clip-ins up here if I can. This is gonna be so hard, you guys, trying to do this on camera. But I'm gonna try. So I have two-piece clip-ins left, and that's what I'm gonna use for the top piece. Okay, you guys, so it took me a minute to get it right, but I got it somewhat right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, you guys. I'm gonna do that off camera, but I'm gonna come back on here and show y'all the final look. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I just put some edge control on my edges. So yeah, this is how I install my clip-ins. Usually I do it all down, or part in the middle, part on the side, or just do half up and half down. So yeah, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And till we see each other in the next video, thank y'all so much for watching.